Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create shorts video using AI, and it's completely free guys. So if you are a student and if you want to grow your shorts YouTube channel and also you want to grow your TikTok channel or Reels account, so this video for you. Alright, so it would be a step-by-step tutorials and follow the steps. First of all, I will show you the few tricks where you can find your shorts ideas. Okay guys, so many of you just using AI tools to finding the shorts video ideas, but the most important thing is that you have to understand your YouTube analytics dashboard. Okay, so in my dashboard, just right now I am on the inspiration. So you will see your channel analytics and you will see the inspiration sections and where you will find get ideas for your next video. That's mean YouTube, YouTube is the second largest search engine, and always YouTube push you or always YouTube recommend you to create something that people are really enjoying or searching. That's the most important. That's why you can get ideas from YouTube. In the YouTube, okay, you don't have to spend any money to get any premium services like different kind of AI tools. Okay, so slowly and surely just upload your videos and you can get different ideas. Okay guys, so scroll down and you will see make a short. So why this YouTube showing in my channel? Because I'm creating different kind of videos. That's mean how you can make money online, how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can earn passive income. So that's why YouTube just suggest me this kind of shorts that can get me more views. That's the important thing. Here you can see AI screensaver, faceless YouTube automation channel, how to make an e-commerce website in 2024, and also if you click on show all, you will see all the shorts ideas. That's mean I can create different shorts video using this keyword or ideas. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you faceless YouTube automation channel. That's mean I will add something, that's mean I will include something here, and I will show you how you can create, and also I will show you how you can upload into your YouTube channel shorts video. Okay guys, so let's start. Okay, so first of all just copy the text. That's mean faceless YouTube automation or faceless YouTube automation channel. So also if you want to know more details, so click on that and you will see the another option, faceless YouTube channel automation, top searches for this topic. Okay, these are the most important. That's mean as a new YouTuber you don't have enough views or subscribers, so that's why while I try to create something that are really searchable or also people are searching, so that you can get views, top searches for this topic. So if I create this kind of videos using this keyword or topic, chances are really high to get more views. Okay, it's called vid.io. okay, it's a AI tools and you can create different kind of videos, a different format. Okay, today we'll be using AI text to video. That's mean we want to generate a video from text. So click on that and you will see what kind of video do you want to create. That's mean you can create social media video, business video, training or others. Okay, so also you can get the hints, like if you click on other, you will see how to make pizza, 5 way to keep fit, training, that's mean new software training, business, that's mean monthly business update, company announcement, sales piece. You can generate different kind of sales piece. Okay, and the social media like viral TikTok video, product demo video, history of Rome, different kind of social media videos. Okay, faceless YouTube automation channel. So this is the keyword word topic. So you can add something here, top 5 faceless YouTube automation channel. Okay, also you can add top 10, top 15 or anything else. Okay, so top 5 faceless YouTube automation channels, and Let's click on generate video, and this is the two part. Like the left hand side and right hand side, you will see the preview. Okay, so this is the size, that's been the portrait size. Also you can create a landscape for YouTube long format video. Also use square for reels video, definitely. So I'm going to take as it is a portrait video. And the presenter, you can select avatar, very interesting. Also you can select only voice. So I think avatar is good and I prefer it. Also you can select this character. Okay, so click on that Lily and it will change. Also you can select the formal. Okay, so I'm going to select the character that I've already used in many videos. And the subtitle style, you can select any one of them, you can choose. Okay, no problem. So this is the just 2 or 3 settings over there: size, presenter and subtitle. This AI tools will help you to generate the script. It's a auto generated script. Okay, I didn't write it here. Edit and script and review. So you can select the tone and voice. It's a engaging, and also the targeted audience. You can select digital entrepreneurs, content creators, aspiring YouTubers. So let's select on the content creators. Also you can rewrite this article. So let's click on rewrite and it will auto generate the content again. Okay, so I think this one is the great one. All right, so this is our script that already generated, and let's click on continue. All right, and this is the task, guys. You just grab your coffee and just wait and just enjoy. Okay, so these are the settings, like they are creating our video recording and adding different kind of styles, video background. Okay, so I will show you the final results and finally how you can download freely. All right guys, so finally our video is so far ready. Also you can change the title over here, and let's find the music section, Lofi. So just to remove this. So why I am removed the music section, because if you upload into your YouTube channel, you will get a copyright strike problem, because this is a copyright issue. Okay, so the total video length is 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay, it's time to download this video. So let's click on done and definitely select subtitle and then click on export video. All right, so it's rendering our video and then we can easily download from here. It's completely free, but the problem is watermark, and if you want to remove this watermark, so you have to spend some money. That's mean you have to purchase their premium packages. All right guys, so finally ready, and click on MP4. It's a 720 pixel. Okay, so as I said, if you want to remove the watermark, download their premium download. Okay, it's okay, no problem. All right guys, so our video is downloaded, and look at the title: crushing it 5 faceless YouTube channels vid. Okay, so once it's finally downloaded, we can change the title. All right guys, it's time to upload the video. So click on create and click on upload videos. Also you can change the title like crushing it top 5 faceless YouTube channel, or also you can remove the first top 5 faceless YouTube channels. Okay guys, and scroll down, select the audience. No, it's not for kids, and it's a AI. Definitely it's a AI generated video. Let's select on yes, and also all right, so let's paste the title over here. This is the tag sections, which is really important. You can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to generate different tags. Contains any copyrighted content. 10 minutes left. Okay, if you want to make it unlist so that you can publish it later, and also you can make a schedule. So I'm going to select unlisted because it's 9 minutes left. So I will publish after completing the checking. Okay, click on save. All right guys, so it's still 23% checking restrictions, so it should be none. So when I get none, then I can publish the video. All right guys, so 79%. So I think it will be check 100% and we'll get none. So this is how you can create shorts video. So I have created many shorts video using these tools you can see my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you find this video is helpful, so don't forget to subscribe. I will come back with another tutorials, so stay tuned. Have a good day.